Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Hawfinch bird in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my bird watching diary. And this is how the Hawfinch looks like. And basically guys, you can capture this bird from the Hansen Mountain, specifically from the Crater Lake. So just go to the Hansen Mountain right here, and you're going to go to the Crater Lake. And if you're lucky, you will meet the Hawfinch right here. And for the weather, wait, I think you can capture it in any weather. Let me show you. Okay, for the weather condition, it's sunny, rainy, and also during the rainbow event. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the Hawfinch bird in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.